I, what do you call it? I had a meal and I had a nap. I woke up now. The time is somewhere around 1:15 somewhere. Uh, 13:15. Uh. So let's answer some haters. Should I answer? No, I will only give my details. I don't want to answer them. And what do you call it? The fun makers. Huh? So when this thing was happening, message planting and all those things, and the pregnancy as well, all this stuff was happening. So I played decent. No, I'm not that guy. I played some kind of card. Huh? So I played a decent card. That no, what do you call it? We are not together. We are not seeing each other. So I played a decent card. So what do you call it? There might be haters who wanna make fun of me. So listen, the what do you call it? I don't wanna make them listen. I just wanna give my side. Is there any 10, 10 girls planted marriage messages for you? The one who is making fun. Are there any 10? In Chembur there were 50,000. And wherever I went, it was happening. That means they know me. They have to rig my number from somewhere, and they have to text themselves that yes, what do you call it? Some marriage messages they have to plant. So, do you have this popularity? I played a very decent thing. No, neither I am in affair with them and neither nothing. I played a very decent card. I saved everyone from getting what do you call it, badnaam and all. But do you have this popularity? Even 10 have planted fake messages for marriages for you. Anyone know? Only 10. Acha, 10 have 10. So 50,000 is must be there, right? Everyone must be hidden, right? ऐसा कुछ तो है क्या? So the one you are making fun of, I didn't want those girls to be made fun in future. That what do you call it? People should not. वो सराउंडिंग ऐसा हो गया था. सो आई थॉट ऑफ लाइक मैं खुद का जोक बना लेगा उनके लिए, बट आई वोंट. सो व्हाट यू कॉल इट? नॉट अ जोक. व्हाट यू कॉल इट? आई प्ले अ डिफरेंट कार्ड. मुझे क्या फ़र्क पड़ने वाला है? आई नो हु आई हैव बीन विद. यू कांट इवन इमेजिन द गर्ल्स विच आई हैव बीन विद. यू कांट इवन इमेजिन. So I thought of like pregnancy till what all stuff was happening. I thought of like this is not good. They have to live their life in this society more. No one should make fun of them in future. Look, that's the one. ऐसा नहीं होना मांगता because it was gonna get exposed one day. It was gonna get exposed one day that message planters were doing it. I hope you understand. English band. No, the fun makers. So any film star has this popularity marriage thing. So much of messages. Billionaire रहेगा यार. Billionaire तो रहेगा. No. You know what I am now? Huh? So the haters, the fun makers, what do you call it? I don't wish you that luck, but the one who got into the flow of marriage proposal and all, they got into the flow. They started going. They didn't know me. Still they were going. I wish them luck. I wish them good luck. What do you call it? From my open heart, what do you call it? I wish them good luck. The one who got those fake messages, I wish them good luck in their life. They had a daring to come outside and say, look, so whatever it was a unity, whatever it was, I wish them good luck in their life. Seriously, every one of them. And the haters and the fun makers, not even 10 messages are planted for your marriage. Not even your girlfriend is, what do you call it, planting a message for the marriage. Because she don't want to marry you. Yeah. So, I have to play decent at this time, that time. If I wouldn't have, spoiled, there will lot of. So, uh, so have fun, enjoy, and enjoy your life, enjoy your work, enjoy your family. Huh? That's it for now.